Hello, fellow makers. So we have our G-code file on our flash drive. So I come to the printer that has filament on it already. I'm using a Prusa. This bed, for some reason, I don't know if it's worn or what, it needs me to use a little bit of hairspray for adhesion. Some people use glue stick. Different things. Sometimes the beds are just fine, and that's what they're supposed to be. So the Prusa, the on button is actually in behind here. There's our screen. Filaments are already loaded, so I'm just going to put my SD card in, and it sorts. And this operating system puts the latest file up top. Some operating systems goes alphabetical. So all I have to do is scroll down to it, and then I would press it. Or if you've already there and it's back at the main screen, you just press the knob, and all the options for printing are here. You know, if you haven't loaded filament yet, there's auto load, there's unload, settings to go through. Make sure you look through your menus, temperature, moving axes, disabling the steppers for if you want to move the build plate more. So calibration that you should have gone through when you first started printing things. So I am going to go to print from SD and then click on the file that I just made. It's just scrolling to show the whole name of the file, just in case you have some that are very close. That's nice of them. And I hit it. It's going to check. New former version of it. Oh my gosh, figures. Well, that's a whole nother step. Let's see if it'll actually print. It says bed's heating, so it's going to print. So I will have to, so it's going to tell us, how much file, how much remaining time. It's telling us the bed heating up. The hot end is heating up, and then it will start printing. So I will stop for now because it's going to take a minute or two. So we're almost there on heating the bed, and as you can see, the hot end got just a little bit above the temperature range, as long as it's close, right? So let's see what happens. All right, everything should be ready. Our print head should get going, right? So the Prusa prints out a little line here. Oh, a test, I'm sorry. It checks the alignment first. Then it's gonna, like purge the hot end kind of thing. Printing this little bit of a filament there. And then it's printing a brim. And a lot of people, check that to see if it's, printing it right, if it's flat enough, if it's too round, if it's not round enough, kind of thing. And now it's printing the name tag. And as you see, it still says 17R, which would be 17 minutes remaining. So we're going to let that print. I was hoping it would change while I was here, because it's saying 4% over there, 5%. There we go, 16R. Okay, R for remaining. Thank you.